Wait, okay, for this part, why we do this? Because we just want to help new international students adapting to new environment. For the example, if they
This is actually just started a year ago. Before it was our annual cooking day event. It
For the selected candidates. So this is conducted by order is that because
of the needs of the international students. The university provided them with student bodies.
It's like a bonding program for the international students.
For us to develop our skills in different areas of our that is needed in volunteering. Next is the cultural immersion and
during this carnival. This the last time we organized French, we went to
international students who be abroad, they can assist the same country. For example, I'm from Indonesia, so I should assist.
So what we do, pictures, the global cafe, Christmas party, the night market race, and some